Welcome to AZ's Superbox. In this video, we're thrilled to present the top 5 best motorcycle dash cams. If you're a motorcycle rider who wants to capture your rides and ensure your safety on the road, these dash cams are perfect for you. Motorcycle dash cams provide a convenient and reliable solution for recording your journeys, documenting any incidents, and capturing memorable moments while riding. They offer crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes, giving you peace of mind and protecting your rights. We've carefully curated this list of dash cams based on their video quality, durability, ease of use, weather resistance, and overall reputation in the industry. Each dash cam on our list is specifically designed for motorcycles, ensuring stable and high-quality recordings even in challenging riding conditions. These dash cams feature wide-angle lenses, allowing you to capture a broad view of the road and surroundings. They are equipped with loop recording and G-sensor capabilities, automatically saving and protecting important footage when an impact or sudden movement is detected. We've taken into consideration factors such as mountability, battery life, storage capacity, and overall build quality to ensure that these dash cams meet the highest standards for motorcycle recording. They are engineered to withstand vibrations, shocks, and weather elements, providing you with reliable performance throughout your rides. For detailed information about the top 5 best motorcycle dash cams we discuss, please refer to the descriptions below this video. You'll find links to these dash cams, where you can find pricing and further details. If you're looking for a more comprehensive comparison, visit our website azsuperbox.com. Our website offers in-depth reviews and valuable insights to help you make an informed decision when selecting the perfect motorcycle dash cam for your specific riding needs. So, without further delay, let's dive into the world of the top 5 best motorcycle dash cams for capturing your rides and ensuring your safety on the road. Don't forget to check the descriptions for links to the dash cams we discuss. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to press that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable tech reviews and recommendations.